2025 Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's stealth beast Moto Motor Rides. Welcome to Moto Motor Rides, where we bring you the fiercest machines of air, land, and sea. Today, let's take a high-speed dive into the skies with Russia's most advanced fifth-generation stealth fighter, the 2025 Sukhoi Su-57. It's more lethal, more intelligent, and more combat-ready than ever before. With a menacing design and cutting-edge upgrades, the Su-57 is rewriting the rules of air dominance in 2025. Next-gen stealth and supercruise. The 2025 version of the Su-57 benefits from stealth optimization that refines its radar cross-section to levels rivaling the F-22 and J-20. Thanks to advanced RAM coatings and internal weapon bays, the aircraft remains virtually invisible to enemy radars. The latest production batch introduces improved IR signature suppression, making it harder to detect with heat-seeking systems. Its AL-51F engines now offer true supercruise capability, flying supersonic without afterburners. A massive leap in both stealth and fuel efficiency. Combine that with thrust vectoring nozzles and you get agility that can outmaneuver nearly anything in the sky. AI-enhanced avionics and sensor fusion. 2025 marks the Su-57's transformation into a digitally dominant fighter. Equipped with AI-supported systems, the aircraft now boasts real-time decision-making capabilities. Its advanced sensor suite, including the N036 Belka radar and 360-degree electro-optical coverage, fuses inputs from multiple channels, giving the pilot unmatched situational awareness. The onboard AI can even assist in targeting, evasive maneuvers, and mission management, reducing pilot workload and increasing combat efficiency. Simply put, this isn't just a fighter, it's a flying war algorithm. Deadlier than ever, new weapon systems. Russia has upgraded the Su-57's armament for multi-domain warfare in 2025. The new KS-172 long-range air-to-air missile is now integrated, giving the Su-57 the ability to engage targets over 400 kilometers away, far beyond visual range. It also features the deadly Kh-59 Mk2 stealth cruise missile for pinpoint ground strikes, and hypersonic missiles like the R-77M make it nearly impossible to escape once you're targeted. For close-range dogfights, the 30mm cannon and short-range R-74M2 missiles ensure no one escapes alive within visual range. All of these are carried internally, maintaining the jet's stealth profile. Cockpit of the future, pilot meets machine. The cockpit of the 2025 Su-57 has been transformed into a glass cockpit environment with fully digital controls. Helmet-mounted displays and a voice-activated command system make interaction fluid and fast. This integration enhances pilot responsiveness and overall mission effectiveness. It's a fighter that thinks, reacts, and adapts alongside the pilot, more like a co-pilot than a machine. With real-time battlefield data shared via secure data links, the Su-57 can coordinate seamlessly with other jets, drones, and ground forces. Loyal Wingman, the Su-57 and Okhotnik drone. A major advancement for the Su-57 is its operational pairing with the S-70 Okhotnik stealth combat drone. Acting as a loyal wingman, the drone can scout enemy defenses, jam radars, and even engage targets independently. Controlled by the Su-57's pilot or autonomously, this drone fighter duo forms a next-generation strike package that adds a whole new dimension to air superiority. It's not just about one aircraft anymore. It's about systems warfare, combat readiness and global impact. As of 2025, the Su-57 is no longer a prototype, it's a fully operational part of Russia's frontline air force. More units are being inducted at a rapid pace, with serial production moving ahead steadily. The aircraft has begun active patrols near strategic borders, signaling a shift in regional air power dynamics. Its presence is a direct challenge to NATO's fifth-gen dominance, and its availability for export has caught the attention of countries like India, Iran, and Algeria. The Su-57 is not just a national asset, it's becoming a tool of geopolitical leverage. Conclusion: Russia's answer to the West. The 2025 Sukhoi Su-57 is more than just a stealth fighter, it's Russia's technological roar in the face of Western air superiority. With enhanced stealth, AI-assisted systems, unmatched agility, and a devastating arsenal, it's a true predator of the skies. Whether flying solo or leading a pack of loyal Wingman drones, the Su-57 is built for the wars of the future. At Moto Motor Rides, we believe this aircraft isn't just evolving, it's defining the next chapter of aerial warfare. Buckle up, the skies just got a lot more dangerous.